Okay, it's backing out of the garage a little slower than version 13, maybe, but it's fine. He's backing up and stopped. Okay, I didn't want to go over the lawn, I guess, or too close to it. Wow, it's kind of really jerky there. Whoa, it's braking jerkily. Version 13 would still do a multi-point turn, but not as jerky. It wouldn't just hit the brakes like that. Okay, it went down the driveway quicker than 13. Turned out a little more aggressively. This is sloth mode, by the way. Okay, so I think that was normal enough. Okay, so now it's driving straight, and we have to stay straight on this road for quite some time to get to the destination. Wait, what is it doing? It's pulling over? What? There's no reason to pull over. That makes no sense. What's going on? Let's see if... Looks like there's traffic behind me. Nothing's in front, nothing to the sides. I see no reason to pull over. I've never seen that. I've been driving for over 2 years, self-driving on this route. Never had that happen. Okay, what's the issue? Oh. It thought there was an emergency vehicle. That's the only reason I can think of that would pull over en route. The navigation had showed it was supposed to go this way. It's not like it showed this was a stopping point. And what will it do? It's waiting for cars to go by. And continuing on the route. Okay. There was no siren. There was no emergency vehicle. Certainly no siren. Well, that was bad. Really not a good start. My first use of full self-driving 14. And that's what happened. So it's 14. Let's see what version it is. Confirming. 14.1.4. Yeah, that's amazing. I've seen a lot of videos so far. Well, several videos. I haven't seen anyone show that issue yet. And you saw it turn around, even though I said you had to stay straight on that road. That's because I adjusted it to go back home instead of continuing on after that issue. And I didn't need to go the whole route anyway. So that's really actually the main reason. All right, so that was too bad. All right.